Hello, Namaste. Today we will see how to make oats uttappam. For this the ingredients are 2 cups of oats, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of cilantro finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 cup of water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. Heat a pan. Dry roast 1 cup of oats until they turn golden brown. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. Oats are lightly brown now. Switch off the flame. Let them cool for a while. Once they are cool, grind them into powder. This is the ground powder. Take a bowl. Add oats powder. Remaining cup of oats. Yogurt. Salt to taste. Half a cup of water. Mix well and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it will be like this. Add more 1 cup of water. Make the batter. It should not be thick like idli batter and should not be thin like dosa batter. It should be in between like uttappam batter. The batter should be like this. Take another bowl. Add onions, tomatoes, chopped cilantro, chopped green chilies, cumin seeds, mix together and keep aside. Heat a pan. Take 1 ladle of batter. Spread a little. Add onion tomato mixture. Tap like this so that they will not come out when you flip the uttappam. Add some oil around the uttappam. Place the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the lid and flip the uttappam to other side. Fry the other side also for 1 more minute and take the uttappam onto plate. Oats uttappam is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Please provide your valuable feedback. We'll meet with another session. Bye till then.